It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, air conditioning, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
For the past 20 years, Williams has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection in northern Michigan. We're conveniently located at 2600 North US Highway 31 South in Traverse City, Michigan.